Good morning all, this is Kiran Mekala. Today question is, match the following regarding Anglo-Mysore War. Match the following regarding Anglo-Mysore War. Actually there are 4 Anglo-Mysore War. So who is the Governor Generals at that time? So first Anglo-Mysore War, that is occurred in 1767 to 69. Second one 1780 to 84, and third was the 1790 to 92, and fourth Anglo-Mysore War 1798 to 99. So in this period who was the Governor Generals? That is the question. So first war, who is the Governor General? That is Harry Verlest. Actually this Harry Verlest is not Governor General, only Governor. Governor General we should call from 1772. 1772 Act is there na, from Charter Act. From that onwards we should call them General. So he was the only Governor. So second war, Warren Hastings. Third, Lord Cornwallis, and fourth, Lord Wellesley. Then what is the answer? This is the answer. C was the answer. A2. So A2 and B1, and C3, and D4. Understand? So this is the answer. Who known as a Tiger of Mysore? Mysore Puli, Tiger of Mysore, Shere Mysore ani కింది వారిలో ఎవరిని అంటారని అడుగుతారు. If you know the answer, please answer in the comment box.